Hey friends, if you wish to repair broken apps and programs in Windows, then please watch this video. So for individual apps, here's what you have to do. Let's say the app is Slack. Search for it in the Windows search bar. Go to app settings. Okay. Wait. Scroll down. First of all, terminate that process and then click on repair. Without terminating it, it won't repair properly. So this is the right way to repair any application on Windows. And other than this, if it is a Windows based application, then search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.